White Page International and CNN News 18 present 100 Most Admired Brands and Inspirational Leaders.
Hello and a very warm welcome to our special White Page International and CNN News 18 present 100 Most Admired Brands and Inspirational Leaders. We trace their journey, look how they have scaled their businesses and established themselves as market leaders in their field. Today, we bring to you the story of Parryware. Parryware, owned by Bathroom Marvel Roka Group, is India's top manufacturer of bathroom products. Parryware has revolutionized the bathroom fitting spaces with its state-of-the-art technology and innovative advanced product portfolio in India. Each product is finely designed to suit the modern needs, and they are manufactured in the fully equipped high-tech 7 manufacturing units located all over India. It is my pleasure to have on our show Mr. K.E. Ranganathan, Managing Director of Roka Parryware in India. Mr. Ranganathan started his journey at Murugappa Group in the year 1994 as the head of finance for Parryware division, and under his leadership, the company has scaled new heights, became more user-friendly and modern, and is now seeing innovative ways of doing business. Welcome to the show, Mr. Ranganathan. It must have been quite a journey for you, sir. How have you seen the business and consumer behavior change over these years?
Yeah, I think the bathroom products category in India has been evolving in the last 20 to 30 years. If you really look at a brand like Parryware, which started in 1952 as a basic necessity for hygiene, then the evolution came in terms of glamorous bathrooms, which was defined by Parryware in the 80s. And then 90s, people started looking at bathroom as a category. And even in early 2000s, people started looking at bathroom much more seriously with the architects and designers coming up, looking at the glamour portion, looking at the hygiene part of it. And today, in the last few years, bathroom has elevated itself to a digital bathroom concept where tremendous technology infiltration has happened in the bathroom products. Today, we are talking of IoT in bathroom products. Can you imagine? So we have Bluetooth speakers, we have electronic flushing, we have hands-free operations and whatnot. And the way the world is emerging in the bathroom, led by the global player like Roka, I'm sure we have very exciting times ahead for all of us in the bathroom context.
The work canvas changed completely in the year 2020. What were the challenges that the pandemic posted for you?
March 23rd, when we were asked to shut down by the government, we quickly did that. And on 24th, we moved to work from home concept. We are a very, very advanced, digitally savvy organization because everyone is very powerfully connected. And from day one, we are able to run our business in an offline mode in many sense. And our priority was very clear. The first and foremost priority was the safety of our employees. So what we did was to make sure that our employees are safe. We put in place very, very stringent measures in terms of COVID prevention and educated our entire network of our trade partners, vendors, and so that everybody understands the seriousness of the pandemic. If you really look at it, sitting now in a position of back to growth, I'm very happy to tell you that since October, we are back to healthy double-digit growth in terms of business.
Mr. Ranganathan, how are your products?
We quickly accelerated our ability to launch new products because when the factories reopened in the month of June and July, we gave a special priority to the new lines, which are very important for the market. Can you believe every 5-star hotel, every office said, let's go for electronic tap because we don't want our employees to touch the faucet. Everybody wanted to change their urinals into electronic urinal, right? And then we said, okay, here we are ready in terms of new products which will meet these kind of requirements. And also we introduced antimicrobial silicone covers, which are now across many products. We have antimicrobial system. All the knobs and the health faucets, everything became antimicrobial because this is what people are really, really looking forward to. And in that sense, our new products, which is now clocking 20% of the revenue, which is internationally, this is the best measure, I would say, which means 1 out of 5 new products we sell are new products. So that gives confidence to the customer that here is a company which is very, very adaptive and which is in tune with the market requirement. And I think that is our responsibility as well.
Pandemic learnings, as we are calling them. What have been some of the learnings for Roka Perriware through this time that other companies perhaps can adopt and learn from?
The learning for us is to educate the customer, number one. We use the electronic platform. Can you imagine in 2 months, we set up Perriware Safe Buy in the digital website. In our website, perriware.com, when you go, you will find a Perriware Safe Buy. What is that Safe Buy? It is a digital platform for the consumer. The moment you go inside and give your PIN code, for example, you are in Bandra, and then you give your PIN code, it will show you in the map all the shops which are selling Perriware next to you within 1 kilometer range. It will also show you the plumbers with their mobile numbers and the name who are nearby your home. So then you have the list of products in the website. So you choose the product, call the retailer you want, call the plumber you want, everything comes home, you get the job done. Can you imagine we got 8,000 inquiries through this Safe Buy alone in the last 3 months. And that shows the power of the brand in terms of getting closer to the consumer and helping them to buy and install these products, right?
Mr. Ranganathan, at a personal level, what had been your pandemic sanity mantra?
To me, I think the learning on a personal front from COVID is to continue to enjoy life with the clarity in terms of the purpose of life, trying to help more to the people who are in needy, especially this COVID time. And then overall, stay very, very positive and confident.
Mr. Ranganathan, what is 2021 looking like for you and your company?
Next year, 2021, I'm very, very positive and confident that we will be able to record beyond 20% growth. And this growth is not just a wishful thinking. It has got strategic element. It has got actions at the ground level. It has got investment approach. It has got brand approach. So we are a very, very efficient organization to create a growth market for us and then take our market share leadership.
Well, I wish you all the very best for your upcoming projects, and thank you so much for giving us your valuable time. Time now for a short break. You're watching our special on 100 most admired brands and inspirational leaders. Do not go anywhere.
White Page International and CNN News 18 present 100 Most Admired Brands and Inspirational Leaders.